Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Dropbox account. So if you also want to log in Dropbox account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Dropbox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Dropbox has been opened. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options over here, sign up and log in. If you want to log into your account, simply tap on the login option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. You can either continue with Google or continue with email. If you want to continue with Google, simply tap on the option continue with Google. After that, you'll be able to log in with Google. But if you want to continue with email, what you have to do is tap on the field of continue with email. Now simply enter your email over here. Now after you enter your email, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is enter your password over here. Simply tap on the field of password. After that, enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, simply tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here a security code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open Gmail. Simply open Gmail on your device. You can see over here I'm opening Gmail. You can see over here Dropbox has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here that particular email will be opened. You'll be able to see the one-time security code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Dropbox application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Simply enter the code. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Dropbox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.